Hi everybody! I wanted to share with you a quick video. If somebody ever told you that the Apple Watch is not designed for serious runners, this video is for you. In this quick guide, I will show you how you can build your own workouts directly on the watch and use them outside or indoors if you want to create your own workout. So let's get started. We'll start with the workout app. Let's start with the outdoor run. We'll click on the three dots in the right hand corner. And here you can go to suggested workouts. You can choose an open goal, a time goal, a distance, and etc. We'll scroll all the way down and we'll create a new workout. Here you can choose an open goal, a calorie goal, a distance, a time, a pacer, and custom. We'll go with custom. Now you can choose a warm-up. I like to put a warm-up as time. Here you can scroll all the way down and say, let's say 10 minutes. In the time, I want to have an alert. Let's say I want to have an alert of a heart rate. Those are my zones, but I can do also custom range. The lower limit here is 130 and here is 150. Let's lower it a bit to 145 and set. Now we can go back. Now, after you press back again, you can see here that we have this alert now. Now we can click add. Now we can choose either work or repeat. So we'll choose work. We'll choose that our goal in this case is distance. And let's say we want to have 400 meters. So here, again, I can scroll down and go to alert. And here I will have a pace alert. And again, I can choose a range. Let's say that I want to choose a lower limit and an upper limit. The upper limit in this case is 517. Let's increase it a bit to 520. And the upper limit will be 554. I can live with that. So let's go back. Now you can see that we have this alert here. Now we can add a recovery phase. Let's say we want to have a recovery of 2 minutes between those intervals. Again, in the recovery, you can choose to have some kind of alert. Maybe we can have an alert of a heart rate again. And let's say that we want to have this custom range that we have set before. I will click on it. Now that's the range. Okay, and I go back. We have a 400 meters and followed by a 2-minute recovery. And let's say that we want to repeat this. So now we can add a repeat. We can choose the type of work that we want to repeat. You can see here that I have this round button. I can click on it and I've chose those two. I click next. Let's say I want to repeat it 8 times. Then we have this workout. So far we have 10-minute workout. We have 400 meters repeats followed by 2 minutes recovery, and we repeat it 8 times. By the way, if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, consider subscribing if you want to see some more videos like this. Now we can add the cooldown. Let's say again we want to add time, 10 minutes cooldown. And let's say that we don't want any alert in the cooldown. We'll go back. Now we can give it a name. Let's say 400 meters repeats. I've clicked done. Also, you can see that this is the custom view. The view will be focused on the type of the interval that you've chosen. If it's a recovery and the alert is the heart rate, you will see the heart rate. If it's a pace, you will see the pace here. Now we can create a workout. That's it. Now we have the 400 meters repeat. All we need to do now, whenever we want to do this type of workout, we can just click on it and it will start automatically. Now you see, that's the warm-up phase. Let's skip to the second one. That's the next interval. Now we need to work for 400 meters. Again, I will click the button. Now it's the recovery phase for 2 minutes. Again, next interval. It will be now the 400 meters and etc. That's how you can create a custom running workout indoor or outdoor. By the way, everything will work indoors as well as it's working outdoors, as you can see here, so don't worry about it. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also, consider subscribing for more reviews and guides. That's all for today, and don't forget to train hard and bye.